Food. Good food. Bad food. A pet. Have a pet. Play with your pet. Weather. Good weather. Bad weather. Italy. Live in Italy. Go to Italy. Italian. Italian food. Understand Italian. A game. Play a game. Play computer games. Do you play computer games? Yes, I do. Do they like hot weather? No, they don't. They like cold weather. Do you have a pet? Yes, we do. We have a cat. Do they speak Italian? No, they don't. They speak Spanish. Do you like Italian food? Yes, I do. I like pizza. Does our neighbor have a pet? Yes, he does. He has a big dog. Does his son study Italian? No, he doesn't. He studies French. Does your grandfather walk in the park in good weather? Yes, he does. He walks in the park in good weather. Does their pet eat expensive food? No, it doesn't. It eats cheap food. Do I go? Do you go? Do they go? Do you go? Do we go? Does he, she, it go? Josh speaks Italian. Does Josh speak Italian? Emma has a pet. Does Emma have a pet? They play computer games. Do they play computer games? We don't swim in bad weather. Do you swim in bad weather? Yes, it does. My pet eats apples. Does your pet eat apples? No, they don't. Her parents don't live in Italy. Do her parents live in Italy? No, I don't. I don't buy cheap food for my dog. Do you buy cheap food for your dog? Yes, she does. Her daughter studies Italian at school. Does her daughter study Italian at school?